All right, fellow meme stockholders, XMAX Trading here. I'm going to go over some pretty interesting information about BBIG. So, maybe potential short squeeze, not financial advice, but interesting what's going on with BBIG. So let's get started. All right, so we look at the from December 17th, BBIG short. 1 million shares borrowed change is increased 285,000. Current short percent interest off the free float 21%. Anything above like 17 to 20% is pretty high. This is at 21%. So that's pretty high. So current short interest 26.22 million shares, I think. Or cost to borrow is kind of small. Cost to borrow average 300%. That's extremely high. Cost to borrow maximum was 356%. So that is kind of high to borrow the shorts against BBIG. So and then another person posted about from NASDAQ or app.ortex.com. Oh, leading data from the NASDAQ. This might have been the same day or maybe more recent. The cost to borrow, short interest for the free float, 21.09%. The rate decline. Percent of the free float on loan. 30% of the free float is on loan. Shares on loan, 37.95 million shares. Days to cover, current. So if they had to cover, because they do it to take more than a day, and that's pretty high. The cost to borrow is 47.91. 7 days ago it was 25.85. I don't know if that's cost to borrow with that. What that price is. Is it 47% of the value? I don't know. But utilization. 100% utilization of the shares that can be shorted or are being utilized. 7 days ago it was 9. So that's an increase. It's gone to 100% utilization. So let's go at Vinco Ventures. Some people are predicting it's going to collapse. But it might be another short squeeze. Just a thought. JP Morgan came out with their short squeeze warning towards the end of the year. We're all keeping our fingers crossed it happens sooner. But like for example, this guy, they see these patterns of these short squeezes happening. Almost like supernova, stars. You got this falling wedge situation going on, right? And it's kind of falling here, and then boom, right, explodes. He's using the RSI. Let's go into the chart. See what we can find. So here's my chart. I was looking at some things. So, we could see this sort of, it's almost like a flag formation, but it's kind of going down. And then, stochastic is on the low. It's oversold. MACD plus RSI, it's kind of slightly bearish, and then boom. These indicators are lagging. That's what's so hard. It's hard to trigger. You have to use like fundamental analysis for short squeezes. And then boom, goes up. So this started to rise. We have a gap right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. There is a nice gap. It's trying to get filled. But it seems like this is a cup. Maybe handle and then boom, explode. So who knows? I mean, it's sometimes I like to make these less sensitive. And then that's clearly the top right there, and then boom, it really bottomed. We make it less sensitive. Boom, boom. Gap right there. Came back down. Like that. Double bottom right there. Actually, it's kind of head and shoulders in a way. So this might be another boom. So we'll find out what happens. Let's go back here. I love manipulating the charts like this. It's always fun. But yeah, I mean, you see this typical like explosions. This one happened in January, along with AMC and GME, right? Same time. Oh, August. Okay. Okay, May. Oh, see right here. This one AMC blew up. This thing went from 2.5 to 5, and then boom. And then it had its own short squeeze. Huh. That is very interesting. So I think look at the MACD plus RSI is in the bearish territory, but it's kind of getting green now. It's not kind of going back up. Let's see. Okay, 26 and 52. Making it less sensitive. See? Nice dip there. So you see these confluence of indicators. Boom, and then, yeah, top right there. I love it if there's a cyclical stock. You know, that's what I'm looking for. A cyclical pattern that I can invest into every 3 or 4 months or whatever it is. I can make really good returns. You know, that's what I want. And I think it's peaking the bearishness. So, you know, I don't mind waiting for these things because, you know, maybe I want to invest more money into the position to, you know, to make more. You know, give it some time. Let's see. What else can we look at here? What else we can look at? We can look at the weekly. Let's see if you'll compute the weekly. Yeah, so stochastic is gonna, I think, look is bottoming out on the weekly. MACD plus RSI is still in the bullish arena. Okay, it has not crossed the middle line. Bullish arena, it may go maximum divergence according to the histogram, and then go up. You know, swing back up on the weekly basis. So this is like the peak of the max green. It gets lighter green, maybe temporary push up, boom, and then weaker, kind of that trend line. But this trend line for the bearishness has ended, I think. My personal opinion. And as you can see here, it crossed. Nice little hammer there. Boom, long wick, hits the roof. This one hit the roof. Fibonacci's are kind of hard for short squeezes because they just, you know, the price action defies fibs. But we can kind of see a regular pattern, I feel like. I could be wrong. Function indicator. I wonder if we went to log. Oh, we are on log. Okay. MACD stochastic. And indicators. Log of the MACD. Yeah, I think bearishness is starting to end. But how high could it go? I don't know. See, this went up pretty much to the top here. And then this, I wonder if we can make a prediction about it, you know? What's interesting about, if you look at it this way, from 0 to 100, it hits that 0.65, that golden Fibonacci pocket, bounces up, boom, come back down, hits the 0.65, kind of went above it, all right, hit there. That is mucho interesting. Let's see. Reverse. Let's hit the 1.168 extension right here. That's kind of cool. And then boom, 1.168. And then let's say the top to the bottom. And then when it kind of went up to 0.168, oh, up to the 2. So I wonder how far this thing could squeeze. 1.168, so maybe $30. No way. That's pretty, well, the top here is 11. some 3, so 2.5, 1 to, that's a 10x. Boom. 2 to 12. I mean, that's a times 6. So 6 times 3 is 18. 12, $18 right here. So that might be a target. You know, that might be a target. 18 bucks. This thing, this popper swings up. We'll find out, guys. I'll keep reporting. Post the comments. Let me know your thoughts, your expertise on these short squeeze potentials, any other stocks you can think of. Until next time, keep on chugging. Later.